Apply a thin, consistent band and pace your movements to avoid over-application with the Pesti Smart Pest Plan sprayer. When preparing to treat a perimeter or a targeted area with the Pesti Smart Pest Plan sprayer, begin by setting the flow to the lowest effective rate recommended on the product label and verify the nozzle is clean and properly seated to ensure an even spray pattern. Walk at a steady, moderate pace so the sprayer dispenses a uniform amount of solution per foot, and keep the nozzle at a consistent height and angle about 6 to 12 inches from the surface to reduce drift and pooling. Use a visual reference such as a landmark or a measured step to maintain spacing so bands overlap minimally and you maintain a thin film rather than droplets that run. For corners and voids, use short controlled bursts while keeping the wand moving slowly so product adheres instead of accumulating. If the area needs more attention, make a second pass only after the first application has settled, looking for spots that absorbed less product and touching those up rather than reapplying the whole run. Always mix precisely using the measuring markings and rinse the sprayer components after use to prevent blockages that can change flow rates over time. Common mistakes include walking too quickly, which causes underdosing, and then overcompensating with a heavier second application, so slow to a consistent pace and assess coverage before repeating any pass. Another issue is holding the nozzle too close or stationary, which creates puddles and waste, so keep the nozzle moving and maintain the recommended distance to form a thin film. A third frequent problem is skipping nozzle and hose maintenance, which changes output unpredictably, so clean and inspect components after each use and replace worn parts to preserve accurate dosing. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors, and we provide resources about proper application techniques like those for the Pesti Smart Pest Plan sprayer. Our site also connects contractors with homeowners and hosts a discussion community where we and others share practical tips, experiences, and product handling advice.